Hello everyone, look what came in the mail today, another credit card. So, as always, we'll do an unboxing and review of this credit card that arrived today. All right, let's see. I got two envelopes, I haven't opened it yet. So let's see what's in those two envelopes. All right, people, I had to take a moment to black out the information here. So basically it tells you that you are opening the Attune World Elite Mastercard from Wells Fargo. So they let you know which card you're opening, and they also give you a copy of your credit score. So that's what's in the first envelope, no card in the first envelope. All right, but I can feel it. The card is in the second envelope here, so let's do the real unboxing now. All right, guys, once again, had to take a minute to kind of black out the information. This is the card itself. This is the Wells Fargo Attune credit card. All right, people, just one page here. Nothing much to show in the envelope, so we'll get rid of that. Pretty nice, pretty straightforward questions. Call the number at the back of the card, and you could confirm your card by calling this number or going to the site. So let's look at the card itself. This is your typical plastic card. Not that I'm complaining. Okay, this is the Attune credit card. No names in front, only the Mastercard, the Attune, Wells Fargo, the tap to pay logo, and your chip. All the sensitive information is at the back, including the card number and the name of the card holder, etc. So I'm not going to show you the back of the card, but the back of the card is red versus your typical gray or black. All right, guys, so it was a pretty straightforward unboxing. Once again, not that I'm complaining, because this is a no annual fee credit card. So this is a beginner credit card. If you don't have an established relationship with Wells Fargo, you should still have no problem getting this Attune credit card by them. And since this is a newer credit card, they are more open to approving people for this card, as they do with, whenever they launch a new product, they're more open to approval. The approvals are easier. So this is a good time to get the Attune credit card. Pretty standard, no annual fee credit card, once again. So the sign-up bonus is $100 to spend $500 in the first 3 months. Typically for cards like this, the sign-up bonus is $150. So this is less than the $150 because this is $100 for spending that $500, about a 20% return on your spend. But what this card does is when you hit that spend, they'll donate $50 to a charity. So instead of you getting that additional $50, the charity gets it. So take it for what it's worth. Maybe it has some value to you, maybe it doesn't. You have to be the judge of that. Overall, once again, pretty standard. The good thing is it's very easy to get approved for. I've got quite a few hard inquiries in the recent times, so wasn't getting a lot of approvals, but this one got approved pretty easily. So the bar to get approved for this is lower than similar cards of this tier. As for the physical card itself, like I showed you, it's plastic, nothing to write home about, pretty standard affair there. But I think it looks pretty decent. You can see this here, the purple and the red. Overall, it's not a bad looking card. But that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, leave that in the comments section below. And if you like contents like this, feel free to comment. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.